What's going on, folks? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Let's take a look at the Crimson Crown by Polarware. Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. That is very nice. Look at the vampire dude right there. That's not, he does not have a romantic look in his eye. It looks a bit cross-eyed, honestly. No, he's not cross-eyed. Further adventures in Transylvania. Oh, I gotta make sure I'm folding this right. Man, I love these old programs that give you a lot to help with your imagination. A paper map. Oh, what's this? Into thine eyes alone. Unto thine eyes alone. Man, I wish you still got this kind of stuff with new games. It'd be nice if they ship new games. It's just a little bit of... Oh, there's a journal. Interactive novels. More from Polarware. Mike Hell. Yeah, they should really. These days you don't get cool stuff like that. Unless you get like special collector's edition. Limited warranty. I should call up for the limited warranty. Alright, well that's it from this lot. Here we have the Crimson Crown. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it from me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciated. And as always, have a good one. Take care of each other.